Thikũ ĩmwe thutha wa kwanĩrĩrwo atĩ minista wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ Aden Duale nĩ amũrĩte ndagĩtarĩ Simeon Leciampe ta mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene mwerũ wa thibitarĩ nene ya bũrũri ya Kenyatta, Leciampe nĩ amũkĩrĩte matamu ma ũtongoria kuma kũrĩ ndagĩtarĩ Kamũrĩ ũrĩa ũkoretwo kĩbara-inĩ kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka 6.
My term is ending in October 15th, so I've been on leave, and then as you can see, I'm already dressed in a lab coat. I go back to dermatology, but I want to thank more so the staff of Kenyatta National Hospital who have really supported us and my management for the last 6 years to push this hospital. I have said this staff of Kenyatta work with their hearts, and I will never regret that statement. They give what they can, and I urge them to continue giving, continue serving Wanjiko, because that's what God has called us for.
Mine is to thank the outgoing CEO and his team for a commendable job that they have done in this big facility. KNH is the largest teaching and referral hospital in East and Central Africa. In fact, it's the largest south of the Sahara and north of the Limpopo River. Mine is to come back, not to do anything else, but just to provide the leadership to allow the employees and the staff of Kenyatta National Hospital to unleash their potential, to provide them an amicable and amiable environment.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi ya KNH Abbas Guret akĩranĩra gũtigĩrĩra nĩ maraheana ũtungata wa gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ ũrĩa ũbatiĩ akiuga makinya manene nĩ matacũkĩtio kuma thibitarĩ ĩno yahingũra mĩrango mĩaka 125 mĩthiru.
This facility, for example, next year would be celebrating 125 years. If I ask you, as many Kenyans in front of me, colleagues from the Fourth Estate, how many institutions in this country today can say they have reached that milestone of 125 years? Probably Kenya Railways, and I don't know who else. Maybe the government, even if it was colonial government when it was first here. Kenyatta National Hospital stands as one of the few that can stand the test of time to say services for 125 years without any interruption in spite of all the challenges.
Nake mwandĩki mũkaru wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ndagĩtarĩ Ouma Oluga ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩire thirikari igongona-inĩ rĩrĩ nĩ atarĩirie makinya marĩa thirikari yoete kũgacĩrithia ũrigiti mamwe arĩ mũtaratara wa marĩhi wa Taifa Care hamwe na kwambĩrĩrio gwa ceceni ya gũthondeka njanjo bũrũri-inĩ.
We want hospitals such as Kenyatta not just talking to us that there is a lot of mortality because there's late referral. We want Kenyatta to engage with where those referrals are coming from, so that they can train those other hospitals that are not treating patients well, that are referring them to Kenyatta, so that we can change the story at source. And we want our hospitals to take up the mantle so that we change not just the mindset, but we change the quality of care that can be given at the rest of the country. Kenyatta stands at the apex of all of these reforms. It's the premium institution that we have as far as service delivery. It gives example to all the other 7 hospitals that are under the management of the Ministry of Health, and it gives example to all the county referral hospitals.
Ndagĩtarĩ Kamũrĩ nĩ agathĩrĩirio nĩ wĩra mũnene ũrĩa arutĩte mĩaka-inĩ 6 ya ũtongoria wake Kenyatta na mwĩhoko wa atĩ Leciampe nĩ ekũũtwarithia na mbere. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.